Okay, YouTube, here we are. We started mudding. All right. We decided that we're gonna get this area ready before I put the this thing, the tall wall, IKEA tall wall. So you can see here, one of the things that I found out, the 3 gauge wire is not good for more than 50 feet. It loses a voltage up to 5% for every 50 feet. So my house is 48 feet end to end inside and 50 feet on the outside. So it's going to lose voltage. So I have to go up 12. This is 14.2, so 14.2, and I have to go 12.2, so up 1 gauge. So I have to replace all these wires. So I will be using these wires somewhere else. It's not a problem. These wires, I will be using them somewhere else. Yeah, so I am finishing up putting all the electrical outlets slowly, right? I'll have only a few left to do. Then inspector, we're gonna call inspector for next Wednesday, right? Once we call inspector, and then we can do the interior. So we just start doing mudding on the outside. On the outside here, you can see storage. You can see the layout. I am proud of my layout. That's all me, 100%. My layout, I used a software design model called Suite 3D, a Linux version, and it worked out great for me. The other thing is, I'm going to show you, we start putting together this scaffolding system. I don't know what, I'm going to review the scaffolding. I'll review it to see if it's good or not. Yeah. So yeah, you can see here, we're not going to cover the interior with, so Samson is the one who 100% put all these drywalls, mudded it 100%, it's not me. But the electrical is me. I'm finishing up putting these outlets. I had to keep changing my design. My plan is so that when this door opens, right, we'll swing toward that wall. I don't want it to touch any wardrobe walls. So I have to have a shelving system that doesn't have a wall here, and then a desk for my child, and then the wardrobe will start from here. So I have about 39-inch plus 20-inch, 60-inch wardrobe, then 4 feet, then 2 feet wardrobe. So 5 feet, 4 feet, 2 feet. This is 11 feet from there to here. So the desk space is all part of the wall, right? That's the design. And it's gonna take that 24-inch. This is about 26-inch here, but it's gonna take 24-inch. And then she'll have this whole entire room space for bed, and then whatever she wants, right? So there's nothing wrong, nothing else in the house, just in the room, just bed, and then everything is on the wall. That's the design I have. But like I said, the inspector has to come. I ended up with this red wire. Usually the 12.2 comes in yellow, but red was supposed to be used for something else, and then they ran out of yellow. They gave me, the red one is a little bit expensive. They gave me the same price as the yellow one at the Home Depot. All right, so that's what so the same gauge as 12 gauge instead of 14, which won't lose. There's a site you can calculate how much voltage you will lose. In my case, up to 200 feet, it won't lose much of a voltage. So when I charged, Samsung told me that when he was charging the phone in that room there, that further room, he couldn't charge because I kind of know there's no enough voltage. Currently, I have a couple of circuits that are running at 14 gauge, and that's why 1412, that's why it wasn't working well. But you can see here, for example, this room looks like it's completing, right? Slow progress. It still has to be mudded, but every day we're doing something. We're making a good progress, I think. So you can see here. So this is, like, I've been videotaping it before, but I'm just showing the that we've been mudding a little bit. So this is a walk-in closet. It's almost big enough to be a room, but again, inspector have to come and inspect all these wires. That some of them are already done. Once he inspects it, then we put the drywall on the other side. Simple as that. But you know, Samsung made it really strong. Like, this is attached to the concrete. It's not going nowhere. Yeah, I'll be doing the stuff. Outside, I'm going to show you. Today I didn't even eat, I'm so hungry. I spent the day trying to figure out how to put this scaffolding system, right? Wait, what's that? So here you can see, this machine. I turned the AC on and it's running right now. The compressor is running. Man, I'm so proud of that system. So this is scaffolding that I decided so you can see the scaffolding here. We decided to ما يرسي وتعرلي ولجنا አይዞክ ገባኝ ፊቱን አላገኘሁትም let's see no Samson you have to go up down yeah yes up yes up እግርን እያየሽ watch Samson, watch him too. Do it together, so you go together. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, much. So that yellow tarp is supposed to be wrapped around for railing system. So we're gonna wrap it in a few minutes. And then it's supposed to hold up to like 1,000 pounds or something ridiculous. And hopefully, you know, it's much safer than putting these lumbers, you know. And we're hoping that it took about 2 hours to put it together, as opposed to 2 days to put all that scaffolding system. 2 days, I think, for this wall. But this one, like 2 hours now. Because our first time will be much. I think that's it. You're level now. You should be good now. Let it go. ልቀቀው ሲያሳያል እንዴት እንደሚወርድ ተስማማ። ኦኬ ቴንክ ዩ ያ